Has coronavirus or some other life stressor got your nerves tense and tight? Did you know that nerves are like muscles and they need to stretch and move through your tissues as you stretch and move through life? If nerves are tense and tight, they can cause problems. I'm going to talk about the ulnar nerve today, which can create pain in the inside part of your hand here, up into your elbow, and pretty much anywhere up into the neck and shoulder. So I'm going to show you how to test to see if your ulnar nerve is tight or trapped, and then I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you can try to improve the mobility and flexibility of your ulnar nerve. So to test it, it's really easy. You put your hand on the side of your ear, and then if it easily turns upside down, that means your ulnar nerve is fine. But if your ulnar nerve gets caught or stuck, or you can't bring your head over, your hands over, there's a funky problem going on with the flexibility of your ulnar nerve. So you might want to try one of these 3 exercises. The first one is the plate exercise. So you want to pretend that you have a plate on your hand and you're a fancy server in a restaurant, and you can do all kinds of fancy tricks with that plate, and you can move it around. Don't let the food spill, because man, it's expensive lobster if you're working at the restaurant that I'm working at, because I wouldn't work anywhere else. So you're just kind of twisting and turning and moving that arm all around with your fancy plate. The next exercise for your ulnar nerve is your sunglasses. You want to be able to put your sunglasses on and take them off. Put them on and take them off. If this is stretching, that means you're doing it right. You might want to alternate if it's too intense, but this is a really nice way to mobilize that ulnar nerve. If you want to specify it to one side or the other, you can always kind of do movements with your head as well. Okay, hands just like this on your hips. You're going to walk your hands up towards your armpits. And then once you're there, you're going to side bend like a teeter-totter. Or what's that? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. And then you walk them back down. Right? So it's just walking up, side bend. You'll feel a stretch. And then come on back down. And then you want to see if what you did was effective, right? You might want to shake out your arms a little bit after, get some blood flowing. Hand here, turn it easily, and yay! Flexibility has improved in your ulnar nerve. If you like this video, please hit like. If you want more, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or need some facilitation or troubleshooting with this exercise or anything else, please reach out. I'd love to help. Have a gorgeous green tree day.